Brace ourselves for a crypto rollercoaster ride. Bitcoin faces a looming 30% crash, sending shockwaves through the market. But wait, there's a twist. While Bitcoin falters, altcoins rise from the ashes, promising a new era of opportunity. Stay tuned as we navigate the turbulent seas of the crypto world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So we're starting off with everyone freaking out over a 12.5% correction for Bitcoin. So if this freaks you out, you must be in US. Bitcoin likes anything you up to a 30-40% correction in a bull market. In a previous cycle, it has taken an average of 60 days to breach the all-time high once first attempted, and at this point there is an average of 23.5% correction. Sometimes it's best to look at the date rather than acting upon emotions. The next up we go for, my wife is looking forward to when Bitcoin hits 100k so that we can take some profits and upgrade our lifestyle. Not sure how she will react when I tell her that we will never sell for fiat. Also, Bitcoin will keep you rich and altcoins will make you rich, so you should understand that basically. You buy altcoins to make profits, you put back into the Bitcoin and hold your Bitcoins. That's basically what you should do. If Bitcoin falls, it falls not that much and it loses like double the price. Altcoins can lose 10 times the price of their highest price, and basically holding altcoins is not the best for you. Making profits out of altcoins, getting back into Bitcoin and holding Bitcoin is the best choice for you. The next one we go for, ideally we want another sharp drop after some consolidation and sideways. I say ideally because that would bring clearance to an Elliott wave structure. Looks surgical and ideal, not always the case. Feel free to check out more on this channel. So yes, this looks right. Bitcoin 2016 stock money lizards, bear market resistance, first peak and explosion. Now we're looking into bear market, first peak and an explosion. Bitcoin set it higher. Did you buy anything this weekend? So Bitcoin to 74,000 to liquidate shorts. FOMC next week. Another rate pause. 5.5 rates remain high, eating away on people's disposable income. Many companies are laying off personnel, inflation and economy quickly cooling down. Retail are nowhere to be seen on crypto, and you're now buying with a wealthy. BlackRock clients are not your everyday beer chugging workers. The next one we go for. So the US government is still holding seized Bitcoin equivalent to 1% of the total supply with a 2.4x unrealized profit. They haven't sold any since July 2023 when Bitcoin was at $30,000. Altcoins are holding very good against this Bitcoin pullback. In my own opinion, this is an extremely priced action and I can feel it in my bones. A big alt season is coming. So the next one we go for is Elizabeth Warren said that there is no government regulation in the Bitcoin space, as she means to say there are no people governing everyone else, and she's right, there aren't. That's because Bitcoin doesn't need government regulation, it's governed by its users. If someone tries to manipulate the network, their transaction is rejected. That's it, that's all we need. Bitcoin won't work, banks said. They also said that Netflix won't work, it was cable TV. Post offices said email won't work. Newspapers said internet won't work, and banks said that Bitcoin won't work. What we can actually get from this information, that Bitcoin will work. The bearish divergence and the bearish rejection at 70,500 for a Bitcoin clearly signal the continuation of the downward momentum. I think we're quite close to the end. For now, markets are seeing some relief. I'm more or less interested in buying deeps on altcoins as well. The last time commodities broke out in the 2020-2021 inflation cycle, Bitcoin pumped very hard. If 1970s 2.0 plays out, second spike of inflation, it's useful to know that a gold pumped 5x in that time frame. Is this time different? Some multi-month highs for the commodity ETF, but many commodities are making multi-quarter highs. And the last one before the actual news we had for today is, as 20% Bitcoin correction now would equal maximum opportunity. If we see a correction to 59,600 to 60,000, I will open a $1 million long position. Let's go. 30% Bitcoin crash coming, but altcoins will rise against the market. So, Bitcoin's sharp drop impacted the market significantly, and it wiped out a considerable investment value within a day, feeding into market uncertainty. Amidst this turmoil, there are predictions of an impending 30% crash. However, as Bitcoin wavers, altcoins could be growing stronger. This article explores the potential rise of altcoins in this volatile landscape, offering crucial insights into the changing dynamics of the crypto market. The next one we go for. Bitcoin profitability drops as whale transactions slump 46%. So the long slump in the price of Bitcoin over the past few days has triggered a reversed growth in the premier coin's profitability overall compared to a few weeks ago, and the number of the profitable addresses on the network is now less than 100%. Bitcoin recording sliding metrics. So besides the price of the cryptocurrency, which has dropped to $67,000, down by 1.2% in the past 24 hours and by more than 3% over the past week, other important growth metrics are down as well. So, per data from the crypto analytics platform Into the Block, the drawdown in the price of the coin has triggered a drop in a daily active address by 4% to approximately 930,000 people. So the major highlights in the sleep is profitability, and per the Into the Block data, the number of addresses into the money comes in at 50.1 million and accounting for 96% of the total in the network, as a significant plunge from 100% recorded when the premier coin jumped to an all-time high above the $73,000 this week. Next one, Bitcoin faces selling pressure after reaching a new all-time highs. So Bitcoin price hits the 64,522 low after highs, facing selling pressure. With the US Bitcoin ETF, optimism persists despite a 12% Bitcoin correction and concerns over the 4,000 futures gap, but hope for an early week rebound. Bitcoin experienced a significant downturn in the price, reaching a new loss of $64,522 on the Bitstamp, as after hitting a record highs, the cryptocurrency faced a notable sell-side pressure, leading to lower lows and failed rebounds as the offloading trend intensified ahead of an eagerly awaited weekly candle close. So popular trader Skew provided insights into the potential zones of interest for bidders on major exchanges, focusing on levels between $60,000 and $64,000. Skew observed that a majority of the selling pressure originated from the market selling, which was particularly noticeable since the $74,000 mark, with significant activity observed on the platforms like Coinbase and Binance. However, Skew also noted that some entities engaging in large dollar cost averaging at the lows, contributing to the short-term bounces. As Bitcoin's bull market correction and market sentiment. Bitcoin's latest correction marked a decrease of approximately 12% from its recent highs, as despite this downturn, optimistic market observers maintained positivity, citing ongoing buying activities from the United States spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds set to resume on March 18th. As Thomas Fachrer, CEO of the crypto-focused reviews portal Apollo, expressed confidence in the market's resilience, labeling the current situation as a potential bear trap. Fachrer highlighted the anticipated influx of liquidity from institutional sources, hinting at the rumors of significant institutional wealth allocation to Bitcoin in the coming months. So that's kind of all the information we got onto this video, and if you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.